Welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Metal Cooler from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. If you must know by now, Metal Cooler is the evolved form and a protagonist villain from the movie The Return of Cooler. As we all know, he's Frieza's brother. After being sent into the sun, he kind of got mutated and turned into a metal-like metallic version of himself. And he arrives on planet Namek for revenge against Goku for sending him into the sun. So, anyways, we're gonna start drawing him, just in case. We're gonna draw the Super Dragon Ball Heroes version of him. I know, because when you're drawing him, when you draw him, one of his eyes are black. And, when you start drawing him, his face is a little bit... Let's see. There's his nose. There's his smile. There we go.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry?
Now, next up is his other ear. So, when drawing Metal Cooler, he has this bionic look in his eye. And he has a metallic virus look. When he transforms into Golden Metal Cooler, his body the mark on his eye disappears. There we go. There's his mug here. There we go. There's his hand here.
Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends.
There's his finger, like he's pointing at you. Hey guys, do you ever think that Metal Cooler should be in the Dragon Ball Fighters thing? I mean, we've seen lots of other fighters, including Master Roshi. I'm sure that Metal Cooler will be in the next series of fighters. There we go. There we go. Next up, here's his chest here. Alexa, start the song over. There we go. Anyways, you're probably wondering, what do you think ever happened to Cooler in Dragon Ball Heroes? When he was fighting for the good guys team. The last time we saw him, he was chasing Fu through the portal where he was reviving Hearts and the rest of the gang. And I wonder if he managed to tag along with when he followed Fu, when he tried to kill him. He was probably thrown back into his own timeline. Either that, or Fu must have done something to him. Probably transformed him into Metal Cooler. That's just messed up, am I right? So, anyways, that's how you draw Metal Cooler from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. S D, B, H. There we go. And, that's pretty amazing, huh? So, how do you, which character in Frieza's family do you think is stronger and awesomer? Frieza, Cooler, or King Cold? You can decide anytime you want, cause I'm posting new videos every day, or my name isn't the Master Designer. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what amazing character I'll draw you guys next. So I'll see you guys again soon. So have a fun season. Bye. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just fix the nose. There we go. The nose is fixed. Now that's how you draw Metal Cooler.